The Ballarat East Men's Shed has received more than $27,000 in state government funding to upgrade facilities. The grant will be put towards increasing the group's workspace by relocating its metalwork area.
It's one of the earliest established men's sheds in the world.
Well, we started in 2006 and there was a group of local men decided that the men's shed was a good idea.
Since then, it's grown to 150 members.
Instead of reading the paper all day, you need something to do, so to come out and share your time with a group of other people of similar age and similar interests, it's really enjoyable.
The funding will help the group to upgrade its electrical wiring in both of its main work sheds.
It's fairly cramped around the place and this will give us a bit more space and more capacity to do different things.
And it's just a really good opportunity for them to be able to do that wiring that needs to be done and also fix up a few OH&S things.
For men to be able to come along in a supportive environment such as a men's shed has great, I suppose, benefits to our community.
The members say the group is more important than just something to do.
You hear so many stories about guys that retire, then curl up their toes and die within a few years, or they complain about being bored, and it's great activity, great fellowship up here.
We've got enough young unemployed that need to get full-time work, so if we can get older men to be doing community work or supporting that way, then that's a good outcome as well.
The organisation's next big job will be for Ballarat's Springfest on November 2, where it will have a stall to help children make wooden pencil cases. Kate Watts, WinNews.